Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ines. So did you guys recognize me in the thumbnail, or was it like, who is this girl on my YouTube channel? So yeah, I changed completely my look, and this is kind of very out of my comfort zone. This is the first time that I'm trying a look like that, and I was very excited to bring you guys like this look to see if you guys actually liked it or if you guys don't know. I actually fell in love with it. Like, I was very surprised how much I liked the actual look and the hair color and everything. And I was going for ash blonde, and I think it came out pretty nice, very nice. It's kind of an ash blonde slash grayish, something like that. Let me get into the details of this hair. This hair was sent to me by her hair company. I was lucky enough for them to partner with me on this video, and they sent me the Eurasian hair. They sent me two 24 inches, one 22 inches, and a 16-inch lace frontal. I thought that 3 bundles would be enough, but it's more than enough. Like, you're good with 3 bundles. This company is mostly specialized in Brazilian and Eurasian hair, and I took the Eurasian hair in blonde, like very blonde, like the number 613. And yeah, they sent me the package and everything. I was very excited. This was my first time trying out a color that like out there, you know, because I'm mostly like on my black hair and everything. I think it's fun. It's a beautiful color for summer. Like, I will rock that this summer because it's like, you know, light and everything. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you guys how I was able to achieve this hair. This is how the box came. This is the box of her hair company. So it's all white with some gray colors. Here are the bundles. So like I said, I received 3 bundles and a lace frontal. As you can see, the blonde is very blonde. The hair texture is amazing because this one was the 613 color and it was very soft. You can see that the color is very good and everything, and you know, this kind of hair is already processed and everything, so it was nice to see that it was very good quality. For this process, I started with the brown, the dark brown, that I was going to put all the way on the roots of the hair. So I had to do that on the frontal and on the 3 bundles. So this is the final color that it made after I put all the roots in dark brown, and now I was ready to put the ash blonde colors. I actually started with the medium ash brown on the top, then I went on and mixed it like everything. There's no technique, I just mix everything, and I saw many YouTubers do that and I was like, okay, let me try that. I just mix everything, and yeah, you just have to pour all the products, like the 3 products, the 3 ash blonde all over the hair, and then you mix it and then you brush it, and yeah, that's about it. And it's funny because in the end the hair came out very wrong. Like it came out very gray, like very dark grayish, and I was so pissed. So I went on, I bought like two blonde, very blonde colors and another light blonde color, and I decided to pour it all over the hair, and I was like, either it came out good or it will come out bad. But fortunately for me, it came out very good, and this is the result. Then I took this mesh wig cap, which has like space for the closure, and I went on to sew the frontal on the mesh wig cap. So this is what it looked like. And this is the final result. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have anything to say about this hair, if you loved it or if you prefer something else, leave a comment in the description down below and let me know if you would like to try this hair or this is something like totally out of your comfort zone. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Bye bye.